tunin pay exercise 10.4 bol masunguvin term thamkhat understand ngayin na tichuit pi hamatile pe angle of elevation kiti khanom chi pi ham elevate kiti chu pe chi to hilau di hello la kal to or like a sign of progress hilau di so pe angle of elevation kiti chu pe line control na chi horizontal line head in here na chi horizontal line means pe la hin na min chi na min na vet chu hit tau te na chi means jang kya na vet pa ko line of sight hi na ba le pe chilaya ipiham any object lai va cha leng khat na ve tau te chi hin thia chu chilaya angle na sit pa tau te chilaya theta na sit pa pe angle of elevation tia ki here hin theva means pe the angle made between the horizontal line and the line of sight chi line of sight ki cho hin theva nami na vet pa object chi object chu cho any object khat na vet tau chana means any object achung langa na vet tawa angle na sit pa nami in jang kya vet pa to pe nami na vet tau pa te ni angle la sit chu angle of elevation ki ti hai na next a chu pe angle of depression deote angle of depression chu pe let's say this is u this is your eye na like when I navigate out this is your horizontal line na horizontal line heads out like when I pay that you are looking something na vet shoot so okay so la angle ki simpa tita pay angle of depression kya ki hai means lai phe langai ka thai poe nga khat tui nu ya nga khat na ve tau ti chu hi object na vet pa chu pi ham na vet su le chun depression ki ti na vet to le chun elevation ki ti hi na ti chu chi mai chun hen ngai ve just a question a term ki shading ho chu hi na ti chu so pe angle of elevation le angle of depression ki ti chu chu he ven lang chu hi na tu exercise 10.4 bolo te na question number exercise 10.4 question number 1 Roman number 1 te na so pay question is simple in a right triangle ABC angle B is 90 degree so I mention the diagram draw te na see right angle chilai angle B 90 degree hai china and then CAB ta de chang CAT katin see point of view always keep it in here na see 30 degree so angle CAB 30 degree in AC hi 15 centimeter in find piham BC chi hollow ti chana B kana say pe 90 degree na vet na lang side p kitiam hypotenuse kiti chana 30 degree na vet na lang side p kiti dam theta na vet na side chu perpendicular kiti ring chi hypotenuse kiti chine thaiba so p hai p le h relation chu p ham sin hello di relation to sin chana so p solution given triangle ABC angle B equal to 90 degree and then angle CAB equal to 30 degree AC would be 15 centimeter to be so I page like pin ball pin hole to find out BC equal to question mark so pay here sine of 30 degree will be what perpendicular by hypotenuse na 30 degree में जाना साइड p कितियम perpendicular जो पे है BC चुना hypotenuse जो पे है 90 degree ना वे जाना साइड जो पे है AC चुना जी सो पे है sin of 30 degree equal to पे है BC by AC chuna. What is the value of sine 30? Half chuna. BC chuna head low. AC chuna ham 15 centimeter chuna. So page in 15 is also implies 15 by 2 will be equal to BC, and 7.5 centimeter will be your BC. Okay, 15 by 2 ako even textbook ba? 15 by 2. Chito bang chu pen number 2 le siyang chu tijun bodo na process aki bang bay na ya chi. Chi dala tring just. He thing ding wa chu question number 1 bo ko bo le hin so hi abay in na. Tun question number aban bani machalo te. Tun question number 2 bo te. Inclination of letter leaning against your wall is 30 degree. And then foot of the ladder is 2 meter away from the wall. Find the length of the ladder. Let's say chi bang chu he tao te na. He chi bang hi pe he kalbi khat do cho. Na khat. Chana bang do la he next hi pe he chi kalbi he tao te chi kalbi chana bang ai do cho. Chai pe he chi wall chu hi chane the ba. Chi tam cuts. Let's name them. Let's say this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. Bang chu hi cho. Angle is at degree C mate. 30 degree C mate. And then pay foot of the ladder is foot of the ladder is 2 meter away from the wall. Pay AB 2 meter in a gum height. Find the length of the ladder. AC hold up in the 90 degree. So pay given pay angle pay BAC equal to 30 degree, and then AB equal to pay distance between pay foot of the ladder and pay wall, which is how many? 2 meters. If you know all the length of ladder, AC equal to pay length of the ladder. So pay 30 degree in pay. I think I'm not to pay base. 30 and 90 king I'm not to pay G base. 90 masangam to pay hypotenuse. So pay base le hypotenuse relationship to P. 30 and 90 king I'm not to basic P. So I keep local angle. So page like base hypotenuse cos curly brown here. So pay in right triangle ABC, if cos of 30 degrees what base by hypotenuse like base if AB hypotenuse should be AC. Cos 30 should be root 3 by 2 value. See a value here low level a value here a level page. Type in hold or the one AC hold or so AC salt out AC salt out in lang AB 2 equal to sato root 3 come to sato AB value to 2 emotion. So 4 by root 3 will be your answer. Or repeat ko iban textbook 4 on 4 root 3 by 3 na chichile pay GAC pay 4 by root 3 na rationalizable root 3 by root 3 multiplying both side by root 3 into root 3 let pay 4 root 3 na root 3 into root 3 to pay 3. Answer will be 4 root 3 meter. Therefore pay length of the ladder should be 4 root 3 by 3 meter. Nghe thấy ba? Hello chưa? Thì question number 2. Atam rồi pay. Sin value ne het nam ne het lo ham ti a check na mai meu chu. In table ka sanga first class a table kana koi chu na chu. Is table chu pay. A value na bahai te ngai chu. Then question number 3 bolote. A diagram in a draw to vale pay. Question a ke pi ding ju a diagram in a draw to ngai chu pay. Kite he pay. String of the kite is what? 100 meter long hai chu. Chi kite hai ta na chi kite he pay la he. Chi pay ma. Kite chu me ta na kite 100 meter long hai chu. And it makes angle 60 degree with the horizontal. Horizontal chu pin ka ni jam. Chi chu na horizontal. It makes 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of the kite. Kite chu chana gam la am. Chu. Ne thia chi. Find the height of the kite. Ti chi tam ka kai sao ju but. Chi find the height of the kite. Let's say chi A ting ka tin chi B ting ka tin chi C ting na chi 90 degree cha. Assuming there is no slack in the string, gui chu pay a gui chu chang ke hi le ti no slack le pay koi le lo ti chu na. Ti chu hi. So pay chi how chu hi cho chi AC pay given. Pay AC is what? Length of the kite na, which is how many meter? 100 meter. And then angle pay BAC. Angle BAC is how many? 60 degrees na. Then means pay distance angle made between the kite and pay with the horizontal na. Then find the length of the kite. So BC equal to pay height of the kite ka tinangai dam. BC is what? Height of the kite. Chino all do question mark na che. So pay pero te biham chila ya dinga. Ipe no do BC no do na. Chi pay 100 meter ki pi cho chi. 90 na vet ma sang chu pi ham. Chi hypotenuse apang di na 60 na vet lang side chu pi hai perpendicular chu na. H khat ne het P khat ne het angle khat ne het chu na. P le H relation chu pi hai sin hi lo di some people have. So pay in right triangle ABC pi hai sin 60 is what? People by hypotenuse na. Perpendicular chu pi ham BC ti chu na hypotenuse chu dam. AC hi lo di. So pay sin 60 equal to pay BC by AC ka ti na. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. BC is what? AC is 100 na che. ABC no do pay 100 is all total. Root 3 by 2 into 100 na che. BC 250. Answer will be 50 root 3 meter will be your answer. Ito ba? 50 root 3 na adi na. Therefore pay height of the kite is BC, which is equal to 50 root 3 meter. How is na relation ng nano chi. Hello wala post win lang kita bet jiu na. Question ya tam timin kino sa bote. Question number 4 vi hote. A ladder 10 meter long is leaning against a wall tile pe. Ti bang jo hai na. Lai pe kalbi khali do re cho. Ti kalbi khali do na. Is leaning against a wall. Ti cho. Ate ba. Lai pe chi ladder chu pe chi cho kalbi hi chi cho. Then meter long at it na. This is A, this is B, this is C thing. 90 degree. 10 meters leaning against the wall. Each foot is 5 meter away from the wall. Okay. Later to pay banga konin meter nga nagam lai ticho na. Lai ayeng gala si bija nam ticho. thế va find the angle it makes with the wall ladder chun ni phe kalbi chun bang to angle ship na thi chi angle hold of this na adang question ha repeat bol ve side khat ki pia angle khat ki pia side khat hold of na but lai phe side ni ki pita angle na hold of na ti chu hi phau so solution phe given phe AC chu AC is length of ladder which is how many 10 meters na? And then AB is what distance between foot of the ladder and wall. So that's it. Which is how many? 5 meter. Theta is theta no hold na. Theta is angle between the ladder and wall. Sin hold theta is chung ngan to na. So any theta na vet na lang side to be kana ti siya. Perpendicular to na 90 na vet lang side to be them hypotenuse na perpendicular to hypotenuse side head so theta na hold na to pay sine hello di so pay in right triangle A B C pay sine of theta is P by H na in this case P should pay A B this na hypotenuse should be A C hello di A C na so pay sine theta is what AB by AC na sine theta is what AB could be 5 here AC could 10 na 5 1 is 5 5 2 are 10 implies sine theta is 1 by 2 so pay sine theta half should be sine 30 hello di sine like sine cancel so pay theta will be 30 degree therefore the angle between the wall and ladder comma pay theta is 30 degree. Hello pina. Question trong model cho ra rahi abang side ni ki pia angle khan hold abang angle khale side khan ki pia side khan hold so ta bangan cho he na so chu ha poi tam jo angle of elevation ta bangan na lai cho tun question number 5 all of that tun question number 5 out a vertical post 9 meter high cast a shadow of 3 to 3 meter long find the altitude of the sun solution view there ji electric post khat chuna je electric post khat hi nisani khola kon shadow am chuna so let's say I nisa met tate I nisa kho cho na ji nisa na kho cho nisa pe achung lang hi a kho le khoni pe a shadow form cho na nisa asan anim dung ja pe a shadow nim asangom cho na tia pe pungbaro hi pha le khon na shadow ho pe mu hi ve na chon because it will be just pungbaro ile pani na du chung cha nisa men na shadow na mo lo cho so na sa che pe min depending on the shadow min pungana vet ji chon he theva so tangena che so pay ji let's say this is A this is B this is C na ji 90 degree cho like pay question pcm a vertical post 9 meter high post should pay meter ko ne sang eti chuna amai ne shadow should pay 3 chia shadow cho na ali di so chi he thia jali like mu na 3 root 3 in asang ye ti so pay find the altitude of the sun cho ichana sangam chi ichana angle la sikam chi hold of in this he ba chi alo chuna so pay given pm bc equal to pay height of bolt which is how many 9 meters na and then you pay AC is shadow cast by the bolt which is how many? 3 root 3 meter. Theta is what? Altitude of sun. Altitude of sun. Nisa sang. Nisa angle is at the simam. So if theta na lang side to be hidam always perpendicular. Theta le 90 yung na to be hi base apang dito na. P le B relation to be ham. Then hilaw tan is permanently black. So in right triangle ABC then theta is what? Permanently black. So perpendicular to be laya BC and then base would be AB. So then theta is BC by AB. So then theta is what? BC would be 9 AB would be 3 root 3 so cut off that cut part color yellow 3 1 3 3 3 9 so what is remaining? 3 by root 3 rationalize ball root 3 by root 3 so 3 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 to 3 see so what is remaining? 9 so then theta equal to root 3 remaining. Root 3 value to 10 of 60 hello so 10 implies theta will be 60 degree. Therefore altitudes of the sun theta will be how many? 60 degree. Doesn't bother. Height of the sun, altitude of the sun, here.